If you're a service-based business and you want to attract more clients, boost your revenue, and scale your business fast, these are my 4-step digital marketing elements that you need to grow your business. I'm going to take you through my step-by-step example. I just had a coaching call with a client and we used this process to set up his own marketing system that brings in consistent leads to help and grow his business. And I want to show you the same process that I showed him so that you could learn and you could grow your own business too. So when I take clients and they want to improve their marketing, they usually just come for hey, I want to do paid ads, for example. Well, these are the 4 things that you need in order to do paid ads properly. So the first thing that you need is an irresistible offer, an offer so good the clients would be foolish to say no to, because you can't just say, hey, come buy our $5,000 teeth cleaning package or something like that, or high ticket. You need an offer so good that you could send it because your ad campaign is going to show this to as many cold traffic, and then the keyword is some percentage of them will give you their information to claim that offer. So that's what you're trying to do, is create an irresistible offer. So let's go through this example together. For this example, my client owns multiple barbershops, but the process is the same regardless of the service of the business. So you can apply this same process in your business and what you learn in this video. So the first thing we're doing is, how do we come up with an irresistible offer? Well, this comes back to my first marketing principle: know your competition. Because if you know your competition, you could study what they do and then build upon all the money and time that they spend creating their own ads. So his competition is, say, for example, Great Clips. They're franchised. They have larger marketing team, for example. At the end of the day, it's going to save us time and money from creating ads from scratch and then A/B testing until we have something that wins. So if we look at Great Clips, first you do Google your competition, and then you can find out all your other competition. So keep note of the top 5 competitors in your industry to always watch what they do so that you can improve your marketing and get more customers. So if we take Great Clips, for example, we can see what irresistible offers are they using in their market. So if you go to the very bottom of your competitor's website and go to their Facebook page, on their Facebook page, this is how you can see every Facebook ad that they're currently running. So go to the About section, click Page Transparency. You can see this page is currently running ads. So click See All. Go to the very bottom, go to Ad Library, and now you can see Facebook Ad Library for your competitor and see what ads they're running. So we can see that they have tested $15 price points. They've gone down to even $8. And now if we go to the very top, we can see the same offer they're running is a $9.99 first haircut. That is an irresistible offer. They're not saying how many years they've been in business. They're just saying, hey, do you look like this ideal client? You should always have a picture of your ideal client in there. Notice how it's not women, it's men. And then they're saying, hey, get a haircut for $9.99. Look how short and sweet that is. That is a great example of an irresistible offer. So that's a quick and easy way to find out irresistible offers in your market. Now that you got the offer, you need an ad campaign. There's only 3. There's Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Those are the top 3. You're going to create an ad campaign with this irresistible offer, targeting your demographic or your ideal client, for example, and spend a consistent amount of your daily ad budget. Could be $20, could be $100, whatever your daily ad budget. Keep it consistent, because what's most important is you're gathering data so that you can A/B test your offer, your funnel, and your irresistible offer so that you could improve it. Everything in marketing is always A/B testing and always trying to improve your funnel. And you only need one. You don't need to do Google and Facebook and Instagram. Just take all your marketing ad budget, put it into one ad campaign, and then test the offer, test the demographic, and test your funnel. Which brings us to our next part, funnel. There are 2 funnels that your business needs. One as a lead magnet and one for sales. Well, there's 2 funnel tools that you could use. You could use ClickFunnels or you could use Leadpages. Doesn't matter. You can double your leads and sales just by switching from one of those tools like Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, or GoDaddy, for example, to a proper funnel tool, a landing page builder. It could be Leadpages, it could be ClickFunnels, doesn't really matter. The great thing about these tools is they give you analytics. They will tell you exactly how many people went to the webpage, how many people said yes to the offer, gives you a score, and now you could improve your score. For example, this is one of my competitors. He's running Facebook ads. Notice this is the whole landing page. That's it. There's no about me. There's no testimonials. There's no like 14 different buttons at the very top. It's just what's called at top of the fold. 90% of your activity is going to be done at the top of the fold, and you have 5 seconds to get your customer's attention. There's 2 elements here. One is the irresistible offer, and 2 is the opt-in. Name, phone number, and email, and that's it. This is what you're testing as a landing page tool, because most of the sales are going to be done in the follow-up. Most people, they get an email, they follow up with them, and they don't hear back from them, and they're like, oh, it must have been a dead lead or a bad lead, for example. No, the sales are in the follow-up. For example, 80% of sales are made in the 5th to 12th contact. That means that when a lead comes in, they raise their hand, they're interested, and they get your lead magnet. Lead magnets can be a free PDF, could be a mini course, or could be a webinar, like a 45-minute masterclass, for example. 80% of your sales are going to be done in the follow-up. So you need a tool to continuously follow up, and there's 2 follow-up automations. One for new customers to get them to purchase or sign up for their first appointment or make their first purchase. That's the first sequence that continuously follows up with them automatically every single day, for example. And then the second one is for long-term value or growth. That means they've already bought your first product or service, and now you send reminders or follow-ups. If they buy, say, for example, his since this is a barbershop, once a month, he sends a reminder email for them to come in for their haircut, for example. So that's what this whole system is done. Your follow-up system continuously follows up, so it consistently brings in new customers to your business so that you could grow or scale it. There are 2 tools I recommend. One, if you just want email automation, ConvertKit is super easy to set up and just reliable, for example, and they're affordable. It's like $29 a month for 1,000 emails to just continuously set up a sequence that auto reminds them to book their first appointment or make their first sale. If you want SMS included in that, I recommend Klaviyo. I'm not sponsored by any of these companies. Klaviyo can do email and SMS. $45 a month gets you email and SMS. This is going to have, SMS is going to have a little bit higher conversion than email because most people check their phone too. And for this industry too, for example. And then I give my clients a clear step-by-step action plan so they know exactly what they need to do over the next few days so they can execute with clarity. For example, we're going to create our premium offer. He's going to record the video. We'll create the ads. We'll use Facebook Ad Manager, very specific about our age, demographic, distance, and our daily ad budget. And then later we're going to build up the follow-up automation and then set it up. So we use Zapier to connect all of them. And now he has a clear step-by-step plan so he knows exactly what he needs to do so that he could attract more clients, boost his revenue, and scale his business. Let's review our core 4 elements. You need an irresistible offer. You need a paid ad campaign. You need 2 funnels. Ideally, just mainly your lead magnet funnel needs to be really good. And you need a consistent follow-up system. These are the 4 elements that every service-based business needs in order for them to grow and scale their business. I'm Jonathan Acuna, a business coach, and if you want a one-on-one session where I can help you build out these 4 elements for your business, click the link below and book a free discovery call. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.